Good evening, guys.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Come on, Kartik, introduce our vlog.
Yeah, mine?
Yes.
Please support to Sima Kartik family vlog because I am on work
All right.
and Mr. Main is English.
So, guys, please support Sima Kartik vlog.
Yes.
And now, come on, say Bimbo Cornejo vlog. We're going to eat here.
Yeah.
All right. Because this is request of Kayon and Shania. So let's go inside.
Thank you.
Ayan na, Pizza Hut dito sa India. But, you know, oh sorry.
Photo.
No, this is special for us.
Yes.
Yeah, for us only. No customer can come in. I booked it. Look, no customer. No customer. I booked this only for us. Yes. Love pizza. See, Katik, lock it now. Ring the bell. Look. Ring the bell. All right. So, Kartik, lock it. Yes. How about Nina? Yes. All right. Wow, it's lovely here. There's a washroom, hand wash. Your pan pizza dough is made here daily. Thank you. Buy one, get three. Oh my God, Shama, look. Buy one, get three free.
Oh, really?
Wow.
So better we order this.
If you want buy, get three free. So that is nice. Yeah, free. This is the one.
Yeah.
Free.
Buy one, get French fries and
This
garlic
bread.
and
Yes. So we'll order. Yeah, we'll order and let's see.
menu name?
It's a lovely place to eat for family. Alright. So Madam is ordering and let's see guys. What do you think the pizza restaurant here? It's a lovely place. Shama is ordering now. And guys, I find out, sorry. Yeah, I find out that this is a vegetarian pizza. Chicken is not allowed, yeah? So there is no chicken pizza,
No.
all vegetable.
That's why I noticed that. I'm like, oh, why is everything
Good
vegetable?
taste.
Oh yeah, it's good taste. I like it.
Our vegetables.
So let's see. It's a surprise what Shama ordered. Yeah. And yan guys, ang offer nila ng Pizza Hut every Friday, unlimited Pizza Friday, $199. Oh, that is good. And ito yung kanilang chili flakes. And what is this? Herbs. Kartik, look, herbs. Huh?
They have holding Pepsi.
Whatever.
7 up, whatever it is. Mirinda.
Yes, it's up to ask the children, ask them, yeah. I like this Kartik. It's herbs.
Yeah.
Different types of herb on pizza is nice. And they have, of course, famous ketchup. Ketchup.
You want Mirinda or Pepsi?
Mirinda.
Or
Mirinda.
Mirinda ke
Design is good here. But today is Monday. There's no much customer. Maybe because it's Monday today. So while we are waiting for our pizza, I just want to ask Kartik, how is your day? How is your job?
Good. Today.
Just good. Come on, explain it. What happened?
Okay, work is good.
Same.
It's just come good only.
Only good.
Busy?
Busy day.
Yeah.
But average. Work is average. Not
Average.
workload.
Many patients.
No.
Do you no? Monday is quiet.
What you do?
But last week is very many patient. But cough, dry cough, change
Change of weather.
weather.
But what is your job there?
My job
Yeah.
is technician, MRI, X-ray, all all rounder.
But why, if they have cough or flu, why they have to go to your clinic? This is not about.
No.
You're doing X-ray there, yeah?
X-ray and
પણ
MRI.
એવું પૂછે છે કોલ્ડ કફ હોય તો એ લોકો શું કામ એક્સરે માટે આવે છે
એ તો કહું છું એવું કઈ રીઝન ના હોય. ચેન્જ ધ વેધર.
So why they
Main reason of weather.
why they have to go to your clinic? You're doing an X-ray there. Huh?
Doctor.
who has chest infection
Ah, alright. Chest infection, yeah, I
Any problem
understand.
is with the, change the weather.
And you have to do a chest
Yeah.
X-ray.
X-ray.
Oh, I
Immunity
understand.
system is good.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, I understand. Yeah, now I know. So, okay. Thank you for the update because millions of viewers is asking about you. So, how about what happened? Is okay now with Sima? You choose the wrong wife. But why you choose the wrong wife? We are okay now with Shama.
yes
She forgive me now about because
Forgive her.
I choose the
No
wrong
choice.
one. So okay, yeah, no problem now. So the problem is solved. All right. So it's starting now. Our order to come. Yes, here you are. What is this, Shama? Garlic bread?
loaded breadstick
Loaded bread
no this is
stick.
not loaded breadstick
Breadstick, okay. Come on in. You can give this now. Kartik, oh. Kartik, give to Sima and children.
that is loaded one from me
Ah, that one.
Babu.
It's like starter. Yeah. I'll give them to. Come on in, wipe it, yeah. Help Kayon, wipe it, yeah. Good. If you want another tissue, Kayon, wipe it, yeah. Thank you very much. Sorry, mate. I'll give one to children there, yeah.
this is loaded one better you
This one
cheese
to them.
with cheese
All right. Mm-hmm. All right. Put this one here. Yes, so you can enjoy. Give to Kayon. Give to Kayon as well. This one of the. This one. Yes. Wow.
Slices in.
Ang sarap niyan. Dumating na yung pizza namin. Wow.
country fish
It's alright. You have purse. Don't worry. You have purse, and then I will eat.
they are bringing one by one yeah
Yes, okay.
आले लोग
Here you are. Yeah, it's okay.
thank you
I will serve Kartik, Bayaw Kartik. Here you are, Bayaw Kartik. Welcome.
Auntie Reka
Auntie Rika. Oh, here you are.
Sima
Sima, here you are, Sima.
mom
Yes. And for mom. Here you are. Enjoy your meal. Anything else? Oh, this is for me. All right. Okay.
for children it's coming just
This is for our. All right. So, young guys, vegetarian pizza. Yes, brother and sister. Cheers. Enjoy, yeah, enjoy.
and mom come on
Oh, yes, yes.
come on
Sorry, okay. Yes. Oh, this is the spice
give to
paneer.
children before
Is this for children now? Yeah?
you can give them
All right,
still.
I'll give it them. Yes, for children. Here you are. Wow, it's very hot, Nene. Why you hold it? It's hot. You have to put with water. Okay, 1 second. Here you are. Oh. All right. Okay, you enjoy, yeah, enjoy, yeah. And we have this. tandoori
That is
paneer.
spice paneer.
Really?
Yes.
Don't worry, they can tolerate the spice, those two. Sarap nitong pizza nila. Look, all vegetable. But is it okay? Yeah, is it alright? You okay?
Yeah, it's not like burning.
Oh, it's still pain. Still.
It's painful now. It's not
Really?
very
Oh, okay. So come on. Because it's hot. Look. Don't worry. That's why we put water. All right. How is pizza? It's good. You enjoy, yeah? Ayan guys, kakain na rin ako. I'm going to eat as well.
Yes, please join.
Okay. Oh
After
dear.
a long time, I'm having vegetarian pizza.
Yeah. And this is the fourth one. Veggie pears. Okay, please put it here.
Veggie feast.
Veggie pears. Oh, katik, be careful.
So 4
Dami
pizza.
pala. You ordered many.
I want to eat many.
Yes. You enjoy. Okay?
I have to remember, yeah?
Yeah.
This is paneer.
Paneer. Katik, come on. Paneer. Paneer. This one. Like, I don't know the taste of this because since how many years we don't eat this paneer pizza. It's first time again to eat paneer pizza. Yeah. Tastes like paneer. But very yummy. Yeah.
Can you want paneer? Paneer? Delicious, yeah? Last paneer, try anytime non-vegetarian pizza.
Come on, Totik. How's your pizza?
Third one.
Yeah, how is it? Can you please explain the taste?
Flavor good.
Really good?
Chili, capsicum, onion. Taste is good.
This is with spicy one.
No, where? Where?
But which you prepare? You prepare because we are thinking burger or pizza. It's good decision, yeah, pizza.
Pizza.
Yeah, because it's lovely pizza here.
Everything will include ingredient.
And you will get full, yeah? How about Chima? You alright with pizza?
Yeah, nice, delicious.
Good. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for your
We're
For
happy.
your treat.
Yeah. After 2 years again. Yeah, it's our first time.
all of us together.
This is a special night, but
And look, Auntie Rekha come.
yes. Auntie Rika normally don't go out, yeah, in the night. But because we are here and Chama,
Yeah.
Auntie Rika
My
come.
dad don't come because he's little bit unwell.
Yes, there is a problem. Anyway, we still have time. Next time Dad is coming. And how about
Children?
the Queen?
Queen. Queen.
Okay?
કેવું છે pizza? ગુજરાતીમાં છે.
Yes, thank you, Ma'am. Yeah? Thank you for coming.
Full family
Together first outing, like you know.
Yes. No, we went to but another
In Nadia town,
no, we went to Domino's.
Domino's, yeah.
But the-
2 years પછી આપણે ફરી pizza ને family
After 2 years, family come
yes,
out for
that's why
pizza.
this is special night.
Special night, yes.
Okay, just enjoy, and then let's see if we have to order more.
For me, this is little bit different because in UK I'm eating non-vegetarian
Non-veg,
pizza.
like
And this is
chicken tandoori.
all non-vegetarian.
Yes,
You never try, yeah?
supreme.
No, they don't try.
Yeah, imagine they never experienced to it.
But if you try, I bet you will.
Yeah, they will
I
like
don't
it.
want to encourage non-veg.
Yeah.
But But it is
Imagine
delicious.
Kartik never experienced to eat chicken pizza, yeah? Tandoori chicken pizza.
Chicken, barbecue.
Maybe someday, alright?
Someday maybe we'll make.
Oh,
Not Sunday, someday.
Someday.
In the future, not
Someday.
Sunday.
English little
Alright? Okay, I just want.
Sunday.
Yes.
Someday.
Someday. I just want to ask those two. Look, those cousins after 2 years, they are together again, enjoying the lovely night. Okay? Look, you have to eat more. Yes, Nina? You're right? Okay.
Oh, I'm really full, and we can't eat everything, so Kartik has balot.
hello guys. Balot.
Yeah,
Balot.
take home. Take home. Yeah.
They are learning Filipino language.
Like take home. Take home.
Take home.
Yes, balot.
Wadelu.
Alright.
Guys, so I want to try some brownie, and I want them to eat brownie as well. They are really full. They say they don't want, but I said try half. So me and Kartik is sharing. Seema and mom sharing.
Thank you.
Yes.
Baby and Kiyun share. Baby and Shana
Try it, the brownie here.
Different bimbo.
Different? Let me try as well. Just little bit. I just want to
Nice.
find out the brownie here in India. Ayan guys.
Hot chocolate, I think.
Ah, that's good.
Different, yeah?
Different from the UK.
Okay, you got a different taste.
It's not that sweet here.
UK brownie is very sweet.
Very sweet, yeah. Here it's alright. And Nene, mom is here. So yan guys, we had a lovely dinner with the whole family. And Nene and Keon as a brownie. You enjoy, yeah?
This is good. Yummy.
Yes.
You have this.
So you had lovely dinner. It's okay, don't worry, you eat now. Yeah.
Thank you for lovely dinner for Sama and Ben. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, my brother. I wish we can eat all the time together.
Yeah.
I
It's-
wish really.
It's our pleasure, yes.
So much Ben and Sama. Such a nice dinner and very good dinner. Thank you very
Oh,
much.
it's our
Yeah.
duty.
Yes,
And
that's
I'm
right.
very happy
Because
to eat.
one question.
One question. Oh.
I think I'm proud of my sister
Oh.
because very care for me.
Very, yes.
This is question or answer?
No, this is my question.
Not question, like how you can say, you want to express
Because
your
in my heart.
from your heart, yes. Not question, Kartik.
He is always telling it hardly.
Yes, that's why express,
My
express.
Eat like
Sometimes I'm very speechless. Because
Yes, yeah, it's
English
normal.
language, yes, I understand.
You do
No,
you
English language, no. But sometimes it's not
What
coming out,
It is
I
just
know.
feeling.
Yeah,
You can
feeling-
you
feeling
can-
much better.
but
For our proud of my sister.
okay.
And also you.
I'm proud of you as my brother.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm very
Because I'm
proud.
little brother. So
He's very, I'll tell you, he's very spoiled child because me and Kartik, 5 years age gap.
Age gap.
Yes, he's younger and he is only brother.
Brother.
Yes.
I'm very close with Kartik.
yeah.
Our relation we can't express in the world. We know our feeling, caring, love, I don't know.
On those all my studies there's summer. All study and good
This-
way for
This is her responsibility
responsibility.
to look
Now-
after younger
now
brother.
I'm studying is
Because of my
summer. All
Maybe you're going to cry here. Don't worry, Kartik. No crying here. Yeah.
Sometimes some like emotional situation.
Yeah, I
we
know.
cannot, yes.
Don't worry. That's why we are family. We are meant to help each other. Yes.
So here we the emotion, happiness, love, care, and fantastic dinner, we are ending our vlog. Please keep supporting Vivo Conho vlogs. Please like, share, and
Subscribe. Bye. Good night.
Good night.